Good Monday morning, everyone. This is Nate from Nate's Here and There, coming to you live from near and far. On today's episode, what I'm really doing, I had to call out of work, so my back is hurting me today, making my legs hurt. I'm just gonna be walking around in nature. I gotta go walking, try to get my back from hurting. So, I'll show you our pigs that some of our sows had piglets last night. So, join me on today's episode. This is some of our little piglets that was born a couple of weeks ago, and that's their mama. Cute little things over there. She didn't have it I think she had 5, maybe 5. Yeah, 5. I think one of them died. You're not gonna get during you're always gonna have one in the litter that's not gonna make it. They're cute little things though, but that's what they grow up to be right there. Yes, I'll admit to you, we got to get the bush hog out. It looks kind of rough out here. That's my brother's house, but yeah, we got to get the bush hog out here. It looks really bad. We got a tractor up there. We got a New Holland 165. I need to get out here with a tractor and bush hog this. And this is our boar hog. He's pretty good size. He's really gentle. He don't bother nobody. You can go walk in there with him. Now we had one. You do not walk in that pen. We had one boar. Oh my goodness, you didn't want to walk in there. He'd tear you up. He bit me. He bit my daddy twice. Now this one's pretty gentle. He's about 400 pounds. And these were born last night, or no, not last night, the other night. Saturday night. Early Sunday morning, I think. These are cute little things. But we sell them. I'm gonna tell you right now, this is a good market right here. We go to the sale, right, we'll be going to the sale about 8 weeks. We take them back when we're 8 weeks old. So, we make pretty good money off of them. Pretty decent. I just love it out here. I love the country. It's just so quiet. One car going by. But I just love the you know, there's not too many clouds in the sky, just cool breeze. I need to I like summer, or I'm sorry, I like spring and fall. I don't particularly care. This is my opinion. Here in the South, summer, it gets so hot. I mean, it can be like on a cool day in a summer day, it can be 80 degrees, and if you got a humidity of 100, you're pouring sweat. You're sweating. And in the wintertime, we get all 4 seasons here. We get all 4 seasons in the South, or in South Carolina. I mean, it can be 30-something degrees outside in the wintertime. It has got down to -5 here. They don't do it often. But sometimes we do get snow. It's not often we get a snowstorm. I think the last time we got one was last year. I think last year. No, I'm sorry. 2021. Or is it 2020? It was one of those years. We got a pretty good snowstorm. Twice. And I got stuck in it twice. I was in Virginia one time and I got stuck in it. And I was in here at the house. I didn't go to work that day. Because it snowed really bad. But like I said, the South is just, I like the South. I've been to other places all over the country, and Wyoming is really more cold. I don't think it ever gets warm up there. It may get 70 degrees in summertime. That's the hottest it gets up there. I couldn't stand that. Colorado, it gets really cold out there. My wind's picking up. Oh, I love that. I got some wind chimes in this tree. I love to hear me some good wind chimes. And I think that one got broke. I think there's a piece of it it's missing. But yeah, I enjoy the fall, because that's when we have South Carolina football. I enjoy watching South Carolina Gamecocks play. You send them to school, and they still don't listen to nothing. He's done got his head stuck in that gate. I don't know how to get him out. That's my brother's goat. Guess I'm gonna have to take the fence down. I have to take some of the fence down. I done tried everything. I done tried pulling on him. God, this is funny. Well, I can say we got his head out. My wife did. Got his head out of the fence. That's all 3 of his goats. Thank you for joining me down this episode. I'm just out here enjoying the day. Enjoying the outdoors. I love being outdoors. I used to work outdoors. I used to work at construction. Oh yeah, my daddy gave me this. It's a real tree. I'm gonna try it out. Got it for free. It says online at Walmart it's $70-something. I like to go fish. We got a pond we go fishing at, so try not to get the camera in the shot. I mean the camera, the sun. Try not to get in the shot, but it's really sunny out here today. I love it. But thank you for joining me on this episode. If you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Hit your notifications. Or hit your bell or it'll notify you when I upload videos just like this. And remember to love God, love others, and reach the world.